Hi, welcome to Walmart. Today I am featuring Great Value Cold Brew Vanilla Latte and Great Value Turkey Sausage Breakfast Sandwich. Great Value Cold Brew Vanilla Latte is 100% Arabica roast coffee and pairs perfectly with the turkey breakfast sandwich. This breakfast sandwich is made with turkey sausage, egg whites, cheese, and is topped with an English muffin. Pick up Great Value Cold Brew Vanilla Latte in the coffee aisle and the Great Value Turkey Sausage Breakfast Sandwich in the frozen breakfast aisle. Thank you for shopping at Walmart.